This is a review of the Sarabec PhonePlus telephone amplifier. It is also a brief instructional video into how to use and set up the Sarabec PhonePlus. So the Sarabec PhonePlus is designed effectively to improve one's ability to hear on the telephone. And this little device here sits between the handset of the phone and replaces effectively the handset, and then you can use volume and tone control and a boost button here to increase the volume of the a person's voice on the other end of the phone. It's very simple to connect. You take the cable that's provided in the box, put that in the top, and then you take this end and connect that into the handset of the telephone, and the other end connects to the other end of the handset of the telephone, so that you replace this effectively in between the base of the phone and the handset, so that you've got an inline volume amplifier. In addition to using the handset in a standard fashion, you can, if you choose, put in a headset here and then use this to increase the volume and listen to the phone call through a headset rather than using the standard handset. It's important to note that this unit can only be used for cord-ed phones, desk phones with a curly cable handset. This will not function for either a mobile phone or a cordless phone in the home. However, it's a great way of taking an existing phone and not having to change the phone, but just putting this little unit into the cables of the phone, so that you can increase the volume of an existing phone. By using the volume and tone controls, you can increase the maximum volume up to 40 decibels on the incoming voice, which is as loud as many extra loud amplified phones provide as a dedicated phone. Using the tone control, this will also help improve not just volume but clarity. When setting the Sarabec PhonePlus up, what you need to do, having connected all the cabling, etc., each phone system may operate slightly differently, and therefore once it's connected up, if you're not finding any increase in volume or clarity, then it could be that this little circuit card in here needs to be switched around, and there are 4 positions for it depending on the type of phone system that you have. And the best way to establish which is the right one for you is that it'll come set in standard, and it'll come in standard, which is A. Up here you have a letter A, and it will be inserted so that when you look at it, you'll be able to see the A in this corner. To then change the setting to B, you would simply just turn it round, and you'll see that now facing you is the letter B, and then C is if you turn that over, you can now see C, and then if you turn that round, you will then see D. The best thing to do is that if the PhonePlus, once you connect it up the first time, isn't working, and it will be set in the position A, is to experiment with the other 3 positions until you find volume and tone being controlled by these sliders on the front. If you'd like any more detailed advice about this model or anything else that we sell on Hearing Direct, you're welcome to call us on our free phone number, which is at the top of the website, or you can email us at customer care or customer services@hearingdirect.com.